How to change password in Walmart. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're looking for a way to change your password in Walmart.com account, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, open up a web browser and sign in to www.walmart.com. Once you're inside the homepage signed into your account, go ahead and click on the account button at the top right corner, and in the pop-up, click on account. Once you're inside the accounts tab, go ahead and scroll through from the left hand side and click on settings. Under settings, click on contact info and password, and under contact info and password, scroll down and click on the edit button right next to password. In order to change to a new password, you'll first need to enter your current password for your account. In the first field, enter your current password and then the new password on the next field. While typing in the new password, make sure that you are typing in the strong password so that no one can get access to your Walmart account. Finally, after filling in the details, click on save, and this will help you change your password immediately. So that is how you can easily change your password on the Walmart.com account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.